Good evening, everyone. At least evening here for me. I'm going to do a quick review for you guys, make this as quick as possible. I did a lot of engine dress up mods here from PERRIN Performance. Got the fender shrouds, battery tie down, oil cap, front radiator shroud. I got cruise control solenoid, pulley cover, and I got the strut tower bar. So real quick, guys, the PERRIN radiator shrouds, I feel like it actually made the induction noise and as well as the bypass valve noise. I believe it made it louder. And now that I drive it, it sounds louder. Now that you got the cheap these things, the cheap cloth. Got that off there, the cheap fabric. So you got these nice ones on here now. It was a little rough getting the rivets in, but once I got the hang of it, it was all right. And then the pulley cover. Very nice products on all of these. Went in very nicely. See there, no, they give you all the necessary hardware, tools, everything. Boost control solenoid, PERRIN radiator shroud. Lines up nicely. I know online some people said they were having problems with it lining up, the hood closing. I have no problems with it. The seals very nicely all the way through. Battery tie down, just pretty cosmetic. Got that. The oil cap came with came with one O-ring, and it came with clear instructions on how to put that on there. So please read the instructions. If you don't read them, you may do it wrong. And then the strut tower bar went on very easy. It was a very quick mod, and you can instantly tell a difference on the first drive. So again, all of that was on there. I do have a Grimspeed Drycon drop-in filter, as well as their post-math hose. Smooth out the airflow instead of having the ridges in it compared to the stock one. As you can see here, the ridges restrict the airflow, so I got that in there. So with the Drycon filter, you can definitely hear the induction noise, and with that paired with the post-math hose, makes it sound like an aftermarket intake. Ain't quite as loud, but you can definitely, it's louder. You can hear the suction, you can hear the bypass valve. And then I have the OLM intercooler guard on here to keep the rock chips out so the fan blades don't, not fan blades, I'm sorry, the intercooler fins don't get bent. Very quick installation. Ties everything really good together. But those, the PERRIN engine dress up is just amazing. I love the way it looks. Looks fantastic. Super quick, super easy to install all of this. The strut tower bar actually was not as difficult as made it seem online by some people that said it was kind of difficult, but it was not at all. These really set off everything, helps get that heat out of the engine bay, goes into the fender, comes out the side. And this also, so you take this rubber piece that was here off, and this helps get that airflow in from here. Traps it straight into there instead of it getting out into the engine. So very nice there. So very subtle. Got all the PERRIN, Grimspeed, and the one OLM piece there, but very nice. Helps set it off. Goes very well with the series white cherry blossom red on the front there. So very good. Highly recommend the PERRIN products. PERRIN, of course, always been great quality for years, and it did not let down on this either. So I knew when I was wanting to do the dress up, that's who I was going with, was the PERRIN, and got it, and I am very happy with it. If you have any questions, please send me a message or a comment, and I will try to answer them as best I can. See you.